When you feel behind in life, a prayer for returning home to your true identity. God, sometimes I look at my life and I feel like I am behind, like time has moved faster than I expected, like the years have passed while I was trying to figure things out. Sometimes it feels as if others are moving ahead while I am still searching for my place. And in those moments, it is easy to believe that I have missed something important. But today, I pause, I breathe, and I remember something deeper. You are not the God of rushing. You are not the God of comparison. You are the God of restoration. You see the whole story of my life. You know the seasons where I am learning, the moments where I was healing, the times where I was quietly growing, even when I did not realize it. Nothing in my life has been wasted in your hands. Not the delays, not the detours, not even the seasons that I felt like drifting. Because you are still present in every step. So today, I release the idea that I am behind. Instead, I return to who I truly am, the person you created me to be, not the identity shaped by pressure, not the identity shaped by comparison, but the original design you placed within me. Awaken that identity again. Restore the confidence that time tried to steal. Renew the hope that life tried to dim. And remind me that my story is still unfolding. You are still guiding. You are still restoring. You are still bringing purpose from every season. So I will not rush forward in fear. I will return in peace, back to the place where my identity begins with you, back to the quiet center where your presence meets my life, because I am not behind. I am returning home. Breathe, breathe, return. The altar within you is a place of restoration. Enjoy calm.